So as a lot of y'all know, it's an 11 model 6.7 King Ranch. It's on a Plan B fab 20-inch lift. A lot of people give it the nickname Cardi because, well, we know who else had a truck called Cardi. And I guess we will do a little walk around on it here. 26 by 16 KG1s. "20-inch Plan B fab lift, 5-inch straight pipe, S300. Sharp looking truck. Definitely need some more though. I know I'm poverty. No, they don't spin. We're working on that though, don't worry. Got some viewers right here, look. Got a Borg Warner S300 kit with the PP popping kit as well. Axle dump with an 8-inch. Axle dump with an 8-inch tip. Definitely a slick looking truck. As far as driving this truck goes, it drives pretty decent, especially for having the lift on it, you know. Going down back roads, it's a little bit swayy, I guess you could say. I mean, realistically, for being how it is, you know, the lift and whatnot, it drives pretty good, so I can't complain. But love the sound of this thing. It's got that 6.0 bark. But definitely a cool truck. I love driving it around. Little kids love it. Get pictures with it, whatever, you know. If me, back when I was a kid, looking back, you know, this was like, I would never dream of owning something like this, and now here I am owning it, you know. If you don't look back every now and again, you know, you'll forget just how far you came from all of it. So it's definitely an eye-opener to look at just how far you came. But we're about to pull up to the second spot and grab some more pictures and some more clips, so I guess I will catch y'all here in a minute when we pull up. Alright, we just pulled up to the second spot. See if I can't get some decent clips of it. And tell me what you think. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on post notifications as well. We're still new to all this, so, you know, give us some time as we try to figure all this out.
But thanks for watching.